still classy. Going live on the Ratchet. 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 Live on the Ratchet.
And we live from the motherfucking Ratchet. Follow your girl at Fuck You Pay Me on Instagram. Make sure y'all follow Alderson Wednesday Media and live from the motherfucking Ratchet. Period. I got my girl. My introduce yourself or I do.
Cake in the motherfucking business.
Right. And it's your girl Buzz the Lady. In this smoke. So
doing ratchet shit.
period.
And we got our motherfucking rapper in this bitch.
Buzz the motherfucking lady.
Or the motherfucking problem.
Yeah, cause we popping shit, dropping shit.
Mm-hmm,
Yeah. Don't get me started in this bitch.
Don't get started.
Anything doing, boys.
Period. I don't know what the fuck they doing, but Buzz the Lady or the motherfucking problem is coming for all these rat hoes.
Exactly. I'm telling you, ain't a problem. A real big issue.
Right, so what we finna talk about, Paige? What's been going on?
Nothing. I miss you ladies last week.
Yes.
Get some shit together.
You know,
Right.
All-Star Weekend was a whole vibe, though.
Yes, it really was. Oh my god. Oh my god. You seen what Gilly the kid, he was in the 5-star hotel and them niggas over there shooting dice.
Only in Atlanta.
Only in the motherfucking Atlanta. It's all about that paper.
It was so packed in Atlanta.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
man, it was so much fucking
It was
traffic.
traffic at 9 a.m. in the morning.
And when I say they were charging $100 to $200 getting any fucking club,
See, that's why
Baby,
I know better.
is that
That's why I stayed home watching goddamn Netflix and Prime Video.
And I ain't even gonna count, baby. I came on
I
that
was in
night.
the street.
So, bitch, I went home and went to sleep and got fat and ate me some sneakers and a whole bunch of more bullshit.
Yeah.
I ain't even do nothing.
Yeah.
My nigga kept talking about, baby, we going somewhere.
Go on out there
I don't
if
give
you
a damn
want
what
to.
you do.
Right.
Just sleep and go sleep.
Yeah, you talking about.
I ain't gonna care. I was outside all last
yeah,
week,
we
and
seen
I was
you.
tired as fuck. Came
How the
Monday.
fuck did you get around in that traffic, twin?
I was
Yeah,
tired,
'cause I
but
hate-
you know,
Because I hate fucking
I
traffic,
treated
period.
All-Star Weekend as a networking weekend.
Yeah.
Period. Opened up for slime like Shawty.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
Poppin'
know,
shit.
just was
Yeah.
having major shit going on.
Yeah. Fuck
It be
all the
that
haters,
bullshit.
though. Fuck all the haters.
Yeah. Fuck all them.
Right.
Slime
Period.
like Shawty.
But opened up for slime like Shawty. You know, just was treated it as a networking weekend. Like, it was a lot of people.
whole
Why not
vibe.
network? Because as soon as I walked out the stage, it was folk trying to network with me. So, you know,
Period.
I just treated it as a networking event. So I was outside all weekend. But this week, I'm in the house. Catch me
And
outside
do
that week.
everything, man. Do not play with her.
Yeah.
Not only is she's a rapper, she's a motherfucking trapper. You know what I mean? A
Entrepreneur.
chef.
Period.
Goddamn, a motherfucking business manager.
Last tit.
Running shit. I'm talking about last take all that. Candy creations.
Period.
Do not sleep on pool.
One
Look,
thing about it,
I'm telling you,
I'm on my horse.
this shit popping. What you're sitting there, we popping shit.
Yeah, popping shit.
Popping
on the
shit.
hater.
Popping shit on the hater.
Period.
Hell is you doing?
So yeah.
But
Yeah, All-Star Weekend, that shit was terrible.
Why you
Bitches
say
up
that?
here against the girl
Oh
had
my
the GoFundMe.
god.
The girl had the GoFundMe.
Oh my god.
Really sang to the mic. She got her money back home, though she raised like $800, so that was a
Oh my
big
god,
tip
she
for-
did. They stopped at that.
I don't know what it was.
Everybody else started.
7:45. I'm like, okay, this is a plane ticket to get this hoe home. The bitch was from New York. Somebody she on
But it's the fact that-
everybody else.
You came down here with $400 of your unemployment and then say your unemployment bail. No, you got that unemployment for the next week. And that shit gone.
And
So
who
what
to
she
say
put
that
out
she
here?
was? But I say who to say she was even really here? Who to say that bitch was even? That bitch could have been in New York at home. That could have been from Atlanta.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Made a pay.
Then
You know what I'm
don't
saying?
got no picture in Atlanta. Got a made up dog
Yeah,
picture.
I looked at that picture too. Like I was trying to see, like, bitch, show me some shit when you in the club. What's a nigga left you? Show me some shit when you running behind a car.
Street, goddamn.
Well, was you one of them hoes that got left?
I
know no homegirl left on. That shit wasn't funny.
Here, but it was hoes.
But y'all didn't see the hoes in right. That's what I was just finna say. Y'all didn't see the bitches in the U-Haul.
I seen them. Broke ass hoe. Did y'all see the one with the girl was lying to her nigga?
Yeah.
He was talking about her auntie.
Yeah.
Yeah, she said her auntie was sick. She had red bottles and everything. And I'm like, yeah, if your auntie got corona, why the fuck you running to her?
Is it? Girl,
and then, man, y'all
everybody know what the fuck was going on when they made that trip to Atlanta.
Exactly, but that's a prime example of the hype. Don't get caught up in the hype.
You go broke.
Please, because I'm telling you, boy. What?
I'm telling you.
Woo.
They were taxing.
Especially if you ain't really got
they don't even charge.
Don't get me wrong. It easy to get caught up in the hype. Because I done thought about it a little bit. But I ain't go that deep in, that far into it because I ain't retarded.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? I ain't stupid. I know these bills still got to get paid. Yeah. So I ain't go buy that Gucci purse or that Louis belt. You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, I know my children got to have someone to sleep in. So I done thought about it. That shit look good. I wonder how that shit do. But man, bitch, I could never. Right. I could never. I ain't finna let myself or God down. That's why I don't know what other folks think, but I'm not up. I'm not. I wish I would. I'm just trying to stay up. I'm just trying to stay above. And the money that I do got, I try to do what I can do with it. You know what I mean? I make sure I pay my bills, though. Fuck everything else. I don't give a damn. I'm going to pay them, and everything else just going to follow suit. Because that's how God is. As long as you do for yourself and your children, you're going to be all right. Yeah. You're going to be all right.
This motherfucking lash, y'all.
Get it together, Pooh.
Flying in the motherfucking wind.
Get it. Oh.
But that's my business.
Yes.
So, period.
Oh, so I'm in it.
No. I'm just letting them know. Ooh, that's my business. It's flying for the ones in the comments.
That's why she keep, but get it right, sir. That's why I say fuck them.
For the ones in the comments, that might be in it.
For the one that just link in the views, but don't hit like, that her motherfucker be. For those sneak dissers.
A mad bitch.
The old mad hoe. I just found out a hoe still mad at me.
And probably ain't getting there. Got no money.
She still mad at me after 10 baby daddies. Girl, and you still mad.
And you look like, wait, girl.
That what going on in 2021.
I got a whole new nigger. Man.
If you ain't making a whole mad 2021, you ain't doing shit.
You're not. And I come to realize.
A hoe gonna watch. Mm-hmm. A hoe gonna watch.
These hoes still be mad. They be real mad for no reason.
Period. So we'll get 1,000 and some views on the Insta story. Yeah. But what the fuck y'all let on the page?
No.
Where y'all let on the page?
When you put a video up, I got 71 likes. But I got goddamn 7,000 views.
I'm trying to tell you.
What the fuck they do that in?
That's what I'm saying.
Oh my God.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, shut your mouth and shoot me.
You really hoes at home.
Just watching.
Yeah.
Trying to really see what's going on.
Think about it. We gonna keep a whole watching. Make sure y'all follow Live from the Ratchet. So y'all continue to watch. But that what going on. And
but just at least hit like down.
Period.
Down. Yo, subscribe it. Like it. Go all the way in, bitch. So you can be like, oh, I still like that shit, bitch. Just don't be a whole hater.
Give a bitch props when they do
Period.
Take a little.
Because we popping shit on a hater.
Break this shit down like a French problem, hoe.
Yeah.
Don't, you know what I'm saying? Don't take the whole pie. Give me a pea.
I'm trying to tell you.
Give me a pea. Give me a little other half.
All day long, but it be the hoes that doing worse than you that be hanging.
Ain't got a bitch ass thing.
My grandma used to be like a pot to piss in and a window to throw it out.
But deep down inside, bitch, don't even know what you hang on the hoe. You don't even know what this hoe going through. Like, what the fuck?
Exactly.
I'm understanding this shit.
That's why I say, you know what I mean? You just life be so much better if people just worry about themselves.
Yeah.
And stop being so negative. You know what I mean?
And so fucking evil.
Yeah, because it was a post. It was like, you know, before you hate on the person, put yourself in their shoes. Before you think it's something wrong with you and a person, just think they may not just be having a good day today. Before you think a person broke, you know what I mean? They might have lost their bank card.
Right.
Don't just be so negative, y'all.
But you know,
Shit like that.
it's so crazy because it be the ones that be want to be around you.
Yeah.
And be the one that hate. Yeah. But you want to be around me, bitch. That won't understand. Like, that's why I'm so much of a hustler. I keep a bitch watching. Because it's so much bread out there. It's so many ways so many people can eat.
Too much shit going on. Why the fuck you worry about me, bitch?
Right. It be the ones that you don't know about. That's the scary shit.
You don't even know
the
what
ones you got around.
Fact.
And they press and you don't even know it.
Then it be the whole like.
Because the ones I do know, I try to, you know, like they say, keep them closer.
Yeah, just to see.
At least you already know what they trying to do to you. But the ones that's sleeping on you.
Yeah.
Cause that's all they doing. They think they gonna fuck with me. They gonna wake up to a nightmare.
Bitch, y'all gonna wake up to some 223s, bitch.
Fuck you, somehow.
Really
You better
sure.
ask the last hole that crossed us. Cause you'll never see them fed these eyes, bitch.
Yeah.
I'm telling you. But anyway, ain't no sneak this. But it is. But
I don't know what the hell that is. We're filming.
I'm telling you.
But okay, yeah. What else we getting into? I think I wanna like.
We've been planning our girl's birthday party.
Oh yeah, girl.
Let's talk about
I know
that.
you done spent about 1,500. I know I'm at a rate.
Girl, oh my God.
Girl, I
Jesus.
cut my money today.
This shit is really, these girls getting bigger and they wish list is getting a little bigger.
Yeah.
I'd be glad when it's over with. We having them a little sleepover.
It's like the older they get, the more shit they want.
Yeah,
the less shit they want, but the more expensive it is.
Yeah.
Fact. They have my little sister the real.
There you go, buddy.
They want Apple Watches, iPads. Girl, it's
Alexander
13.
McQueen. Who the fuck do that?
Right. I ain't even got to pay the Alexander McQueen.
I'm
But I'm going to
telling
do it, though. You want it? Alright, I'm going to get it.
I ain't asked to be here.
I just like that feeling, knowing I can do that shit. No doing that shit without a nigga. Like, period.
Exactly.
Real. Why?
Ain't no better feeling.
Boy, ain't none in the world.
Mm-hmm.
Period.
I'm
So
scared to see what goddamn next Christmas
y'all feeling our vibe? Let's set up. Like,
yeah.
Oh yeah,
vibing
y'all know we got a
motherfuckers.
new scenery.
You feel me?
With goddamn pajamas,
Vibing in
this
this motherfucker.
Take my shoes.
Period. I might
get my hair done this motherfucker. Speaking of hair done.
Popping shit in this.
right.
This bitch don't take her
Period.
shoes off. But anyway, speaking of hair done. Have y'all seen that?
Cause it's like for the motherfucking ratchet, and it's a whole lot of ratchet shit go on over here.
I'm telling you, you know it's
y'all,
for
this
me.
is what I want to talk about. Y'all just motherfucking talking
Okay, go ahead, Twin.
about they trying to put like a hair salon on Spirit plane.
What?
Spirit Airline.
Yeah,
How the fuck you gonna get your hair done in the hour?
This shit already small as fuck. Bitch, I got burnt from turbulence and shit, but Spirit already got them small as fuck. Where the fuck y'all gonna put it? I'm scared to use the bathroom.
Oh my
With
God.
fucking
Spirit,
They can't be talking about the actual plane.
They desperate.
The second time.
They desperate.
Yes.
They desperate. They
Like
desperate.
anything. Like,
They
fuck.
desperate. That's some desperate ass shit, Spirit.
But I
For
can,
real.
I can't see that.
I can see me get
I
my
see it on
hair
camera.
braided
Braided.
on the motherfucking plane on the way to Vegas.
But yeah, not no
Get my
wig,
motherfucking
man.
individuals done. Come when I hop off that bitch.
They
My hair
probably
done.
ain't gonna have them working on that bus for
I'm scared,
Africa.
but I'm scared of planes because
So
I
you
don't
go
fuck with like that. But I
motherfucker.
do. Yeah, I flew a couple
Oh,
times.
I'm
It's
not
just
scared. Like I love it.
I only flew
Like-
4 times. So
I flew twice and I loved it the first time.
You
Like
just came back from out of town. You
And I
did,
flew
didn't
back.
you?
yeah, we flew there and
Where
back.
you went?
We went to Vegas. I actually went to Vegas
Okay.
twice. I went in October, then I went in December.
Okay, you
Girl, I
enjoyed
done that
yourself
same
for your
one
birthday, right?
time.
Oh no, bitch, we're going to Cali for my birthday this year.
Oh,
This May. And Paige, I hope you coming.
Yeah.
When is it?
May.
So we probably going to Cali for Cook's birthday,
I know,
May.
but we all trying to book it together.
Yeah.
But she want a different date than I do. I don't know. I have to work it out.
Okay. Well, we'll work that out. You
work
know
it out.
we will.
Period, because it's gonna be a motherfucking vibe.
Because the more people,
Catch
the more
live for the
merrier.
Ratchet.
Better.
Period.
Like I took like
Catch live for the Ratchet
like,
in motherfucking Cali this May.
real shit.
Period.
Oh, look.
We gonna do a show out there.
Oh yeah, we can do it. Bitch, we can do a show. I'm gonna be told the fuck up.
Yes, and we
So
live for the
I'm trying
motherfucking
to be
Ratchet.
like Paige when I get in Cali. Show out. Cause it bitch show out every time we go out.
Hey,
I'm trying to show my aunt and don't remember shit.
You
the
only
next
live
day.
life once.
We
Not a
like, hey,
motherfucking
you did
thing.
This, you did that. She be like, what? Bitch,
I don't
you
be
did.
remembering nothing.
Half of the time I record.
Nature.
Period.
Pay turn the fuck up.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
weekend with these motherfucking kids and
Yes,
game night.
sir.
$25
We ain't gonna turn up that much.
interest.
Yes.
This
Next weekend. That's
Yeah.
next weekend.
My bad.
Yeah.
20th.
Next weekend.
Yes,
On the
Yeah, the
20th.
20th.
That's
Yeah.
the 20th.
Yeah, see, look.
Yes,
Come on,
at
I
Addison
be
West
fucked
Media
up.
Studios,
I be
we
on
having
point.
game night.
Yeah, game
Adult
night.
game night to be
Adult
exact.
Game night. $25
Pop.
motherfucking interest. Y'all come
Period.
on with $25. Y'all play hot ass, stinking ass liquor.
Stinking ass.
Period. Would you
Ooh.
say they'll go look or
Bitch ass.
Be hot all day. Like they don't need no clothes. That's just a hangout spot now.
Ooh.
You can't even dance.
You
You
in
gotta
my
look at
business.
Cause it be
Yup.
so packed.
Girl, it be so fucking
And
packed.
stink.
Girl, they study point.
I ain't gonna cap. Like I fuck with liqueur. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why. I ain't been in a minute. I
They
ain't
can
been
do better
since.
than that. That for the young folks.
I ain't been there in a long ass time, but
That for the young
when it
folks.
first opened,
Baby,
back when I
don't
was
go
staying
down
on the
in a
west
long
side,
time.
I better go to cruise.
Don't go
and
down
bitch,
in a long
Right.
Take a long more time to go down.
I done performed that liqueur.
Her shit on. That
Like
you did.
I fuck with liqueur just
Oh,
at the
you
fact that
did.
when I was first trying to come out with my music,
See, that's why
trying
I
to do
fuck
some
with Liqueur,
shit,
cause they
and
fuck with the street.
Liqueur ATL gave me a chance to perform
Yeah.
my shit. Like
Exactly.
that was
That's
like
why I
my
fuck
third
with 'em.
performance
Yeah.
ever.
Was it on
And-
Shake Out Sunday? Where
No,
they
I
shaking
didn't
their
perform
ass?
on.
Girl,
I
yeah,
ain't doing no
people
Shake Out
grandmas
Sunday.
up there.
Shake Out Sunday wasn't even here.
Bitch with no legs.
Yeah.
Y'all seen that later?
I seen that fucking.
Right.
I thought
No
she
legs.
I
What?
thought she was a midget at first.
But they
Yeah.
say they paid her to fly down here. Cause
Man,
you know she
I
was
believe that.
She a scripper.
That's Georgia. That's Atlanta, Georgia for you.
They say bitch.
Y'all seen that boy who done that like he was finna fuck her? He was fucking them.
what?
They was hunch fucking like a
Why
motherfucker.
they were hunching?
Fucking girl.
hunching.
He got down on his knee. And he got down, grabbed them.
I think I seen that video. He was like a brown skin
Oh,
boy. He had a
yeah,
little
with some
hand.
braids and shit. Nah, bitch, he had no cook. If he did have a cook, he put that motherfucker down.
I got to see
That
that.
nigga got on all four with that bitch
Why you
and
see-
started pumping. I be sending you shit.
Bitch, you send me.
This bitch so blind, she don't see nothing.
Yeah, but the money. I don't see never green, bitch. I'm trying to vision.
God damn. Yeah, let me be sending a
Green
deal
and
about
blue.
some money. You tried it.
Green and blues, bitch.
Man, Jesus Christ. But yeah, Shotty goddamn fucked the shit out of her. Did a whole little porn scene. He probably the nigga flew out. If he ain't fly out, he extended him.
Hey, you talking about
But what?
But you know I think she the one with the legs. She a scripper. Wherever she from, she's a scripper out there. But she went viral. Like I guess she got booked. Went viral doing her little scripper shit.
Could these folk like? These folk really be caught up in
And
the
she
hype
got
of it, though?
the girl, but see, she
Anything for clout.
she got some high self-esteem too.
Yeah, to even come
To even be able to get out there and do that, because there's some motherfuckers that wouldn't dare do that. I know she got a lot of people with her same disability that look up to her.
But I
Like for
salute her.
real.
Just
Yeah, I
having the confidence.
Just having that much courage.
Yeah.
And confident.
I wouldn't dare.
Me neither. I couldn't.
I
would.
But I don't even know.
With my legs and feet, everybody, I still, you bitch, you ain't finna catch me dancing in no
I just
club.
waiting my check on the first, hoping they goddamn pull it extra.
Oh, I'm too player to dance. Like, catch me bit Millie, whatever you call it.
We say Millie Rocky.
I ain't even gonna say Millie Rocky because I ain't from up north.
Yeah.
But trap dancing, bitch.
Yeah.
But I be damn, I would even put my hands on my knees and shake my ass in the
yeah,
club.
that's for sure.
With
You
my
know,
homegirls on the little Buster song, my nigga, yeah, he gonna get it, most definitely. But I ain't even got no confidence to just get up there and shake my ass for real.
Especially in the court.
So for her to be able
went
to
up
do
that
shit,
pole and
She went up the pole.
yeah, everything.
went
not
up the
play with
pole,
her.
busted wide open, did the
Do
little.
not play with her.
We got
Killed
a
it.
video. We're gonna post that shit on live on Ratchet page so y'all can see what the fuck we talking about.
Yes.
Yeah.
But see, that's why we supposed to have the TV on right now.
Cause we could've
so that
showed y'all.
Because it's in my DM.
But yeah.
And where my phone at? I've been asking for my phone for a minute, but
The host got it.
But let me ask
know.
y'all.
Oh, he do. See,
Let me ask
Right
y'all. Did y'all see the 3 girls get in the Uber, right? And they basically got mad at the Uber driver because he told them to keep their mask on while they're in his vehicle.
Okay.
So the girl,
you saw
one
that?
of them in the back seat, got mad at fuck. Like took her mask off, started coughing on the guy. The guy had his phone on the little phone holder. She
What type of
reached
bitch
up
is
there,
that?
started snatched the phone. The other girl, which is the black girl, she was more
So
like
the girl was like white. So the other girl white. One was
she
white.
probably like mixed. I don't know.
Why
She
is
probably
you
was white,
coughing on somebody?
but
That's
started
not
coughing on it.
Basically spin on it, man.
Basically went dumb on the
Yeah.
reached up there, grabbed their phone. So the other girl was like, and I got COVID. So the other girl, the black girl, started coughing and shit too, talking about, and I got COVID. You know, making a joke.
But why they even
Cursing
doing
them
it?
out.
Like, because when like Liv, I don't know
Was
about
this
Uber,
here?
because
This
it
Uber,
tells
but
you-
Lyft banned him.
Yeah.
But it tells you to keep your mask
Mask
on.
on. Make sure you
So
got
when
your
I
mask
caught a Lyft
on.
when I was in Vegas, that one
I
got
had to
wrong
turn
and
around
fucked
from
up.
live in the house and go get my shit.
Yeah, like bitch, respect that shit, bitch. The shit real. That had
You
to
need
be
to ride, bum ass hoe.
That had to be y'all.
Exactly.
Get the fuck out the
So
way.
he more like, you know, don't touch my phone. She reached up, grabbed his phone like she was finna take his
nah.
phone. Yeah, she like, and I got corona. So they both going in on the guy. Like, and I'm finna beat his ass. So I think they said that one of them got some mace out her purse type shit.
What?
But so
Why you driving?
now they saying that the police department is looking for them because they gonna press. I guess the guy the Uber driver pressed charges.
Yeah.
But when Lyft heard about it, Lyft automatically banned them from Lyft. Automatically. So, but this happened in Uber.
But,
Yeah.
what?
Everything
Yeah.
always happen
but
in Uber.
live.
Everything always happen in Uber.
Lyft figured out what was going on and automatically banned her from Lyft too.
Yeah.
Because the girl, after the situation, the girl went on live on some viral clout shit and was like, I ride fucking Lyft. You know what I'm saying? Type shit.
Mm-hmm.
Lyft politely came and said, oh, she's banned from Lyft too.
back on Mars, hoe.
Exactly.
Bitch, you need to go get your car.
Exactly.
Hoe. Why you
Need to go
doing all
put
that?
down on you something.
I'm trying to tell you.
Hey, you talking about little mama.
I'm a money
Man.
guy.
But you fucking up.
But the police department is looking for both of them. It was
Oh,
three
yeah.
on. It was one in the middle, but she wasn't doing shit. She wasn't really doing shit. The one in the middle.
I posted in my. They weren't looking for my phone.
What
I
happened?
forgot where he was, but the girl. I don't know. She was coming in the house from work, but she had the police meet her at the house. But he wasn't there, and they were asking, "Do he have a gun?" This, that, and the third, whatever. And the police was telling her to leave, but she was like, "My son, he at school."
okay.
They were like, "You ain't got nowhere where you can go or where you can be or whatever." And she was like, "Nah." Girl, Nick came in there. You see the police cars outside.
Oh yeah. I saw that.
Just started shooting down.
Shot the police. Shot
He
her.
shot both police.
Yeah.
Now they said he shot her too, but he died. The police killed him. And they all survived. Them 3 survived. But girl, the motherfucker, the way it looked like he survived. Cause he looked like the last man standing.
But the way that he went in there, he knew what he was getting himself
That
into.
shit was a suicidal attempt. They said he was mental health, but I feel like he ain't give a fuck about dying or not. He just went in there ready to die.
Girl, he went in there shooting, straight shooting,
Yeah.
saw the police, started shooting. They started shooting back.
Before he even went in the house, when he pulled
That's
up,
why
he saw the police car out there.
And he went through the back door. She should have kept that door locked.
Girl, and them folks just boom, boom, boom. Like, people are crazy. Yeah, you have
Yeah,
to
I
help.
saw
That
that.
shit is not cute.
Yeah,
For
I
real.
saw
And
that.
then up under the comments,
The
I
first
read
mental
it.
thing, I'm gone.
It was a lot of girls. They were like, I'm glad I got my out of there. I'm glad I got
Oh, they
myself
knew
out of
him.
that type of relationship. Nah,
Oh,
it
yeah,
was just
I
they
can
could
relate.
relate.
I've been saying,
She told me they knew him. Like, this nigga all type of
bandwagon
victim.
a hole. I want to hear the story.
Yeah, you right.
That's crazy. Y'all gotta be careful. That's why I don't talk to anybody. Like, it be your spirit. I gotta pick up on your spirit. I don't give a fuck. One word, hey. I can pick up on your spirit. Say hey to me, and I'ma know. Oh no, cause God gonna tell me, keep going. Yeah, you know what I mean. You just gotta goddamn catch it, baby.
I think everybody got that sister because it's all
Baby,
about a vibe.
Yes, I gotta pick up on the spirit. I can tell. I always been like that, been able to tell.
Yeah.
Oh no.
And shout out to my
Period.
girl, she said, hey.
Oh,
hey,
Shishi.
damn. We need to invite her little girl, but hey, Shishi.
Bitch, we at capacity. Corona is out here.
I know.
20 little girls for this sleepover. We only supposed to have 10.
We pushing it.
Shit, I eliminated 2. The fuck? And I don't give a fuck about that shit. I don't give a fuck if y'all feel some type of way. I don't give a fuck none of that shit.
Yeah, exactly. We don't own nobody name. Nobody owes us name.
Y'all,
so now we down to 18 girls. We ain't adding 2 more.
Period.
Right.
Just on the next one.
Okay,
Period.
so y'all,
Yeah,
Regina Carter went to the internet and made a statement and said, some people just don't even have enough respect for themselves. So why would you think they'll respect you? How do y'all feel about that?
I plead the fifth.
Some people don't.
Totally agree.
I feel like there's a relationship.
I agree with y'all. I just feel like
issues.
she's speaking from a different place. That's why I plead the fifth.
I believe she's speaking by the nigga.
Yes, that's why
I looked at it like, because
that's a true statement.
Yeah,
true statement.
You come across people that don't have respect for themselves. Yeah. So why would you think that they will respect you? So this is people that you come across on a daily basis. You can come across somebody at the store and this bitch doing some fucked up shit to it.
Why you a bitch? Benefit of doubt.
Yeah.
You gotta let a hoe pop stuff out.
A hoe don't want to do her job. So this bitch
9 times 10, these hoes cross themselves out.
Yeah, they gonna always do it. And I'm always getting ladder. Like, bitch, I'm always come up on top because I'm a child of God.
Period.
Amen.
The fuck?
Because the whole will tried.
I ain't got not one evil bone. Like, come on now. Shit. I don't know. It just be, I don't know.
But I feel like she was coming from.
Yeah, her relationship.
Man,
knowing they going through that shit. But bitch, come on. You know what type of nigga you dealing with.
Exactly.
Bitch, you know what type of nigga he is, so fuck that shit. Bitch, you can go get.
And that shit be coming from home. Like, if a person don't respect themselves, that shit go way deeper than that. Like, a woman can't fix that. A man can't fix that within them. A woman, that shit come from home. Their mama 9 times out of 10 don't respect themselves.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So you can't. That's some shit that can't be taught. It got to be installed in you.
Shit.
Yeah, we got a lot of shit. Live for the Ratchet got a lot of shit coming. We finna make major moves. Live for the Ratchet's gonna be out doing media coverage. 2021.
We finna be doing more shows. We finna have more people on here.
Yeah, we are about to start doing interviews.
Hot girl motherfucking summer.
We finna be promoting more food. All type of healthy shit.
We gotta put.
Yeah, you know what I mean? What we get outside from, like, this real Atlanta, real deal shit.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Real Addison West J Media.
Right.
From the beginning.
Yeah.
Started from the bottom.
Real
now we here.
Bitch.
Mm-hmm.
Period.
Bitch on the end. Bitch.
But yes, y'all can definitely follow me on Instagram at _Buns the Lady.
Follow me at Bads 2 G's with the S on the end. Chasing Cakes.
And follow me at Fuck You Pay Me. Fuck you, just you. Pay me with like 2 or 3 underscores. I'll pop up. You'll see me.
Also follow Live from the motherfucking Ratchet, but no, it's Live from the Ratchet.
Live from the Ratchet.
And what else?
Addison West J Media. And shout out to Behind the Scenes Quack. Follow him too. You know what I mean?
Easy Quack.
Always helping us down since day one.
Yeah.
When the stimulus pay got you.
They'll keep also boy cook also been
right. Well, y'all ready for the stimulus?
Cause pay gonna be gone. I'll be somewhere in Columbus.
Yeah, I'm not. Okay.
Right, y'all ready for the stimulus?
Mm-hmm.
Bitch, I'm ready for the
I heard they were getting them motherfuckers out tonight. That's why we wrapping this shit
I ain't
up.
too much worried about
I'm
it.
trying to call my card.
Fly, we got that bitch, man.
Exactly.
Live on the Ratchet shit. What's real bitches though?
Going live on the Ratchet. 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 Live on the Ratchet. Ooh, you the shit back. And I see you on your shit back.